Good morning, everyone. So today we will write the written part of chapter number 3 of our science, that is housing and clothing. So let's start the chapter. Please draw the pictures like this: house, dress, t-shirt that is related to our chapter. And from the now next page, you have to write date, whatever the date you are doing your work, and then chapter number 3, and then chapter name, housing and clothing, just the way it is done here. And from the next line, you will write the dictation words. Dictation number 1 is dictation words. First dictation word is materials, materials, materials. Dictation number 2 is bungalow, bungalow. Third is igloo, IGLOO. Fourth, caravan, CARAVAN. Fifth is veranda, VERANDAH. Sixth number word is drainage, DRAINAGE, drainage. Seventh is fibers, FIBRES, fibers. Eighth, nylon, NYLON, nylon. 9, polyester, POLYESTER, polyester. And the 10th word is acrylic, ACRYLIC. So all these words are from the chapter only. I have already explained you what are the meaning of these chapters. If you still have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Make sure you write the proper spelling of the word. So now write the question number 2, check the correct answers. So firstly, the questions are here and we have some options and we need to select the right one. So the first one is garbage should be thrown into. So options are kitchen, dustbin, bathroom, and cupboard. So garbage means waste and the waste should be thrown into dustbin. Option B is right. Then wire melting do not allow the entry of. Wire melting do not allow the entry of water, air, dust, mosquitoes. So we use wire mesh on our windows and the doors to prevent our house from mosquitoes. So wire do not allow the entry of mosquitoes. D option is right. Then see which of the following is not a natural fibers. So the natural fibers are fibers which something which is already present on the earth, which we get from animals or maybe plants. So the silk, cotton, wool, and acrylic. So 4 options are here and the natural fiber is acrylic. We get wool fibers from So now question number 4 is we get wool fibers from sheep, silkworm, cow, and the 4th number is cotton plants. So हमें जो wool मिलती है वो हमें sheep से मिलती है. Then option A will be the right. Then after this we will write the true and false. So question number 3 is write T for true and F for false statements. So first statement is we should keep our house neat and tidy. Yes, true. We should keep our house clean and tidy all the time. So this is a true statement. Statement number 2, we should throw garbage into wash basins. So whatever the waste we have in our houses, in our homes, we should throw into the wash basins. No, this is a false statement. We should always throw the waste materials into the dustbin. So this is the false statement. You will write T and F just like this. Now, in the statement number 3, we should keep things at their proper place. This is the right statement. We should always keep our things at the right place. Statement number 4, a house keep us safe from heat and cold. This is also the right statement. Our house always help us to keep us safe from heat, rain, wind, and cold, and so many other things. 5th number, a good house should not have doors and windows. False. A house always have doors and windows to have a plenty of fresh air. Now after this we will write Phillips. So question number 4 is fill in the blanks. Our first is clothes protect us from dash bites. So clothes protect us from insect bites. INSECT. Now number 2 we get cotton fibers from dash plants. So हमें जो cotton मिलती है वो cotton plant से मिलती है. तो COTTON cotton. Third, drains of kitchen and bathrooms should be well dash. Drains of kitchen and bathroom should be well covered, COVERED, so that there is no infection of any germs. 4, rooms in a house should be dash. So our rooms of the house should be well lit, means it should be well neat and tidy all the time. 5th, at places where it dash, people wear clothes made of fur. So whenever there is wherever there is a very cold area, means the something which is snow, people should wear clothes made of fur. So the answer is snows, SNOWS. Now after this we will write the answer in one word. So our first is from which insects do we get silk? हमें जो silk है वो कौन से insect से मिलता है? The insect name is silkworm. Question number 2. What type of clothes we wear in summer? हम summer में कौन से type of clothes पहनते हैं? So in the summer we mostly used to wear cotton clothes. So it helps us to sweat, absorb all our sweat. Question number 3. What do we call the houses which are made of brick and cement? जो houses cement और से बने हुए होते हैं उन्हें बोलते हैं पक्का house. Question number 4. Where should we throw garbage? In dustbin. Answer is in dustbin. 5th, no, there is no 5th question. So after this we will write name them. So our first is in winter season we wear. So we have to tell the name. So winter season we wear woolen clothes. 2, wool and silk are animal fibers. 3rd, clothes are made from fibers. 4th, fibers that are obtained from plants or animals are called natural fibers. जो हमें plants और animals fibers मिलते हैं वो होते हैं natural fibers. Now after this we have named the following. So first is name any 2 things that we use in rainy seasons. ऐसी 2 चीजें जो हम rainy season में use में लेते हैं, umbrella and raincoat. Question number 2, name 2 animals that give us wool, sheep and goat. And then third is 2 things made from jute. Jute से बनाई हुई 2 चीजें, ropes and normally there are some jute bags are available in the market. तो ये 2 चीजें जो हमें jute से मिलती हैं. So this is the objective part of the chapter. Now we will do the subjective, means the question answers of the 3rd chapter. Now we will do the subjective part of the chapter. So question number 8 is define the following terms. So there are some terms that we need to define, and you can define all the terms in 1 or 2 lines. So the first term is plant fiber. So plant fiber means fibers that are obtained from plants. जो fibers हमें plant से मिलते हैं वो होते हैं plant fibers. So there is some examples, jute and cotton. Now term number 2, igloo. Now what is igloo? A small house is built from hard snow. जो snow से बना हुआ house होता है उसे हम बोलते हैं igloo. So these are 2 terms. Now after this we have our question number 9, that is difference between. Now we have to difference between kacha house and pakka house. So all you need to do, you will draw a line in between. On the left side you will write kacha house, and on the right side you will write pakka house. Kacha house, you will write it is made up of mud, grass and bamboos. Example is hut. And from in the pakka house you will write it is made up from bread, cement and iron, and it's an example of bungalow. So kacha house means which is not so very stable and made up of natural things. Nature is also means it's not it will not able to keep us safe from all the harmful things. While in the Patta house, it is made up of cement and iron, and it is able to keep us safe from almost everything. So after this, we will write question number 10, ask for the following questions. So our question number first is, what is the difference between natural fibers and man-made fibers? So the answer is, fibers that are obtained from plants or animals are called natural fibers, examples wool and jute and cotton. And while the fibers that are made by men are called man-made fibers. जो मैन ने बनाए हैं, that is man-made fibers, और जो natural मिले हैं, that is natural fibers. Examples nylon, rayon are the examples of man-made fibers. Question number 2 is, why do we need a house? हमें house की जरूरत क्यों होती है? We need a house to live in and protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain and animals. इन सब चीजों से बचने के लिए we need a house. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body and to protect ourselves from heat, rain, insects, cold, insects bites. Clothes also made us look smart. So that's why we wear clothes. Question number 4, write down any 2 qualities of a good house. House की 2 qualities बतानी है. So number 1 is, answer is 2 qualities of a good house are, a house should have doors and windows. House में doors and windows होनी चाहिए. And point 2, it should have proper drainage system. So our chapter number 3 is now finished here. Do the proper work and then draw the lines.